How to verify identity on Cash App. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can verify your ID on Cash App. You can easily verify your identity and check your verification status in Cash App at any time. You want to simply go to your profile icon at the top right of your Cash App home screen. Once there, you want to choose the option that says Security and Privacy. Under Security and Privacy, you want to continue to Identity Verification section. So you'll be headed to this page where it'll say verify your identity with a photo of your ID and face to continue. All photos are encrypted so your information stays private. Once you go through all the verification steps here, you'll have to submit your government verified ID, your video selfie and such, and you'll be easily able to go. If you're not verified, you can select verify to continue with identity verification and go ahead. So this way you can verify your identity on Cash App. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.